How's it going, guys? We're out here at the river during the day. The river's kind of high right now, so getting the waders on. Getting suited up. Hopefully we got some good luck today. Alright, what we're using for bait is this bag of worms. There's a lot in here. I bought like 3 containers of worms, put them in here. And then I got this catfish nectar stuff at Bass Pro. And it's just blood, so I just sprayed it all in there. Yep. So, see what it gets us. The river, it looks a little murky. It's a little dark today. Got a little fish. It's a little guy.
Oh, look at that cat. That's a flathead, I think.
Yeah, I think it is a flathead. It's a new species for me.
Very cool.
Still trying to eat the worm.
Still hungry.
Yeah, that is a flathead. It's a first time species for me.
Dang, swallowed it good.
Yeah, you got it good.
I think that's just that species though. They hold it in their mouth.
Well, I want to try to keep them alive so we can get bigger. Well, I can see the hook right down there in his mouth. Ouch. Kind of poked me and bit me at the same time. That's a big fish.
Oh my!
Get the net.
I don't know what that is. What is that?
That's a smallmouth bass.
No way, dude! No way! Holy moly, look! PB.
That's a smallmouth bass.
PB.
New species.
New species.
Personal best.
Monster, dude. Holy cow. Look at his tongue.
Smally.
Wow, do you feel him?
It's bigger than my hand, look.
Put a hand under him and just feel that.
Oh, wow.
That's a hefty fish.
Yeah, we gotta weigh him. That's probably 2-3 pounds.
Wow. Let's get this little hook at you. It's got a hook good in there.
Dude, you hear that spines on your thing? Dude, that's like bones. Whew. Oh, dude, do not let him go.
I got it. Woo-wee! Heck yeah, buddy. Oh, snap.
Smallmouth bass, bro.
Oh. New species, guys. I'm pumped about it, if you can't tell. Let's get him released. Oh, we gotta weigh him.
Yeah, let's get him weighed.
What a catch, man. That's so cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that can't be right. This is 5 ounces. Hold them up real quick. Okay, go. There we go. That's more right. 2 pounds, 11 ounces.
Nice.
Look at that fish, guys. Nice catch, man.
Thank you.
Nice catch. Show him one more time. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's a beaut.
Let's get him back in the water and get him on his way. It's so strange that bass have an entirely different smell than cats.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful, right here.
Thank you.
No way. You guys, no lie. You guys, no lie. I just turned the camera off after he released his fish. I threw my pole down on the ground to grab the net. Okay, and then I started reeling in my pole, and look what this is.
Entirely different species.
A yellow bullhead.
Yeah, nice, dude.
And he was on the line, and I didn't even know. I just picked up my pole and started reeling in to, you know, recast, and this guy was on the line. Wow, I'm glad it was a small fish, dude. My pole would have went like, you know.
Took off,
yeah,
man.
A yellow bullhead struck. Nice.
That's a nice one, too.
He didn't swallow it either, so that's a good sign. Well, I'm gonna get him off and get him released, guys. I don't think he's that big. I don't know how big he is. What is it? Freshwater drum?
Freshwater drum.
Oh, he wasn't that big. Nice fish. You just threw your pole on the ground.
Oh, you said get the net, man.
I did. He hit a lot harder, let me tell you. He is scaly.
They do hit pretty hard for, you know, being that fish, I guess.
Dude, he's scaly.
Ooh.
Got a big fish, guys. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's a freshwater drum. It's a big one. Dude, that's a big one.
That's a good one.
That's a big, dude. I don't think I've ever caught that big of one before. Dude, it's a good day. It's a good night, good day on the river.
For real, man.
Dude, that's a decent one. Oh, it came off the hook.
Good thing we got the net.
Yeah, dude, that was not secure. Jeez. It's a big sheephead. Alright, put it in my sleeve. Jeez.
Chill. Chill.
Dude, he's fucking huge. I'll get a picture of me.
Yeah.
Get some. Look at this guy, guys. Probably my biggest freshwater drum. Nice. Hey, I like it. That's nice.
Woo-hoo. Look at his head.
Oh, I know.
Got that forehead on him.
Let's get him released. You just face planted in the dirt. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful our view is right here. We got like a little island to the left of us, and then just fields on the right, and then Skeith over there,
We're in the mix.
like 4 foot deep in the water. I was just showing you guys the wonderful view. Each got a line in the water right now. Fish on? Fish on, guys. So I just turned the camera on to show you guys the view. It's a little one.
Hey, another flathead?
Yeah, I think it's a flathead again.
For a second I thought it was a yellow bullhead, but
Oh, dude, he's hooked the same way too as the last one.
real good.
Dude, underneath the gut. But this time the hook's sticking out. Well, we're gonna go try to get him off, guys. I'm gonna make sure you guys get a good view of him first, though. Let me know what you guys think that is. Is that a baby channel or baby flathead? We'll try to get him off the hook, but look at that hook job. He's underneath of his, yeah. I'll try our best. I wanted to show you guys that I healthily got him off. And he poked me in the process, but it's alright.